Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, here you can see my result. I have got some interesting results from CPAGRIP network. Here you can see CPA offers. I'm going to use this CPA offers to generate leads. I will also share with you free traffic method. Guys, if you are interested to get some interesting results using CPAGRIP network, then you can watch this full video. You can also generate good results. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPAGRIP network. Guys, this is the best CPA network. You can use this network to generate good amount of leads. Guys, this CPA network is available worldwide. So no matter what country you are in, you can use this CPA network from anywhere in the world. First of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on sign up now button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your first name, last name, your address. You can type your messenger, like you can type your Telegram. You can type your Instagram. You can type your WhatsApp. Now you can type here your messenger ID. You can type here your email address, password. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on offer tools button. You can click on my offers button. Now you can select your United States country. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. I'm going to use this CPA offers. When people from United States complete this CPA offer using Android device, then CPAGRIP may create your account with a payout zone for this offer. Let me show you how you can use this CPA offers. You can go on bolt.new platform. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. Guys, you can use this platform to create stunning apps and websites. You can click on get started button. You can sign in with Google. You can sign in with GitHub, or you can click here. You can type here your email address. You can type your username. You can type your password. At last, you can click on sign up button. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to sign in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can type your prompt. Guys, I'm going to create a website to promote CPA offers. I'm going to create a website according to CPA offer. You can type for this kind of prompt. Build a website to promote CPA offers. It should follow YouTube rules and Google rules. Add articles and images by AI. Here is CPA offers title. Now you can type your offers title. You can go on CPAGRIP platform. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Here is showing offers title. You can copy this title. Now go on bold.new platform. You can paste your offers title. Go on CPAGRIP platform. You can copy this text. Now you can paste here. Go on CPAGRIP platform. You can copy this text. Now go on this platform. You can paste here that text. You can type here is CPA link. Now go on CPAGRIP platform. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Go on this AI platform. Paste your CPA link. Similarly, I'm going to insert here another CPA offer. Go on CPAGRIP platform. Click here to open this CPA offer. Now you can copy this text. Go on this AI platform. You can type your second CPA offer title. You can paste your title. Now go on CPAGRIP platform. You can copy this text. Go on this platform, paste here that text. Now I'm going to paste your CPA link. Type here is CPA link. Go on CPAGRIP platform. Click here to copy this CPA link. Now you can paste here. Okay, after completing it, you can click on build now button. Guys, you need to wait some time. Guys, you can see this AI platform has built a great landing page. This AI platform has inserted CPA offers link on this button. You can see this AI platform has built a great landing page. Here you can see affiliate disclosure. Now in next step what you will have to do is you will have to publish this website. You can click on publish button. Click on publish button. You can see this website has published successfully. Here is showing URL of this website. You can click here to edit this URL. You can edit this URL. You can type your anything. Now click on save button. Guys, here is showing updated URL of this website. You can click here to copy this URL. Now I'm going to open this URL in new tab. You can see this website is looking attractive and great. You do not need to do any kind of hard work to build a website. You can simply type prompt to build a website. AI platform has inserted CPA offers link on this button. When people from United States click on this button using iOS device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPAGRIP may create your account with the payout zone for this offer. Now let me show you how you can get users from United States. You can go on this platform. Here you can see latest posted ads. People from different countries posting advertisement on this platform. Here you can see latest advertisement. Similarly, you can advertise your website on this platform. This website's name is freead1.net. You can click on post free ad button. It will then take you to this page. You can select your category. You can select your subcategory. Now you can type your title. You can type your ad description. You can type your email address. You can type this code. You can paste your website URL. You can select your country. You can select USA country. You can upload your image. At last, you can click on post free ad button. Guys, I'm going to type your title and description. You can visit on this website. You can copy this title. Now you can paste here. You can type your description. You can copy all of this text. Now you can paste here. You can copy this text. You can paste here. Now you can type here your email address. You can type here this code. Now you can paste here your website URL. You can go on this website. Here is showing URL of this website. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can paste here. You can scroll down. You can select your United States country. You can upload your image. Guys, this image will help you to get more users. You can upload your more image. At last, you can click on post free ad button. Yeah, here we go. You can see your ad has been published successfully. Congratulations! Your ad has been published successfully. You can click here to view your ad. Guys, here is showing description, here is showing image, and here is showing website URL. When any person will click on this URL, then they are redirected on this website. When people from United States click on this button using required device, then they are redirected on CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPAGRIP may credit your account with the payout shown for this offer. Guys, you can also share your website on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get lots of users. When people from different countries click on this button, then CPA offers link will not work. When people from United States click on this button using required device, then this CPA link will work. Guys, using this method you can generate good amount of leads. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.